Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you what to do when your printer is not being detected in Windows 10. So there is one simple solution that I recommend you to check. First, we need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and then we need to go to Device Manager. Here you will see a list of available devices on your PC. So we are interested in to find here print queues, so I open this one tab, and here you can find the list of available printers. Now we need to select printer that is not working properly. So for example, I select this one printer, then I click right mouse button on it and I click update driver. This window will be successfully displayed, and we can read here question: how do you want to search for drivers? I recommend you to select this one option, search automatically for drivers. Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. So I click on it, and after a moment all best drivers should be successfully installed here. I recommend you now to close this window, and the good idea may be restart your PC to be sure that the changes have been successfully implemented. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and I encourage you to buy me coffee from link in the description.